Hello and welcome everyone in my today's live stream. Thank you so much everybody for joining my live today. I really appreciate everyone. You all have come to join my live stream. This live stream is going to be something different everyone so in today's live stream I'm going to discuss about our very new uh, very new hodler airdrop which is soon everyone, which is soon. Okay, तो soon के बारे में आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस ईच एंड एवरी important information with you all. Okay everybody, so please stay connected till the end of this live stream. Also I would like to say one thing everyone, if somebody wanted to ask me any question, okay everybody, so please, if somebody wanted to ask me any question, please feel free to ask me the questions everyone. Okay, just a second, I will proceed to the topic. Okay everybody, stay connected everyone. ठीक है, चलो everybody देखेंगे अब हमारा कि क्या ये न्यू एयर ड्रॉप, what are all essentials benefit you are getting from this new launch pool everyone. So here, okay, so get live bonus task hodler airdrop soon, which is SOON everyone. So get will launch soon spot trading and start hodler airdrop everyone. Okay, so this is the article of 20th of May. So what is inside this article everybody? So get.io, here is the get.io will launch soon for the first time and open the hodler airdrop for a limited time. All right, hodler airdrop limited time, users holding 1 GT. Okay everyone, this line is very much important for you to understand ki what are the criteria of participating into this hodler airdrop. So users holding 1 GT can participate in the airdrop for free and can share this much of soon token everybody. Okay everybody, so this much of soon tokens you can be able to share. Hodler airdrop only supports GT holdings. Okay, 16,06,667. Hodler airdrop only supports GT holding users everybody. Okay, it's very important for you to understand hodler airdrop only support GT holding users. After the soon, which is SOON airdrop, the users participation funds will not be deducted. Okay, now airdrop details hodler. Okay, airdrop end time everybody, it is going to be end on 15th May 23 2025 UTC everybody. Total airdrop is 16,06,667. Soon unlock. Method is 100% unlock trading everybody. 100% unlock trading. Start time is given here. Start time is given here from May to 19 p.m. May 23, 2025 UTC. Online trading pair is soon / USDT everybody. Okay, these are the basic information which I am giving to you. I will give you detailed information about this wonderful project everybody. Okay, so here identity verification is also very much important. GT holdings will be greater or equals to 1 GT. Okay, GT holdings should be greater than equals to 1 GT. Okay, can share the total price pool according to the proportion of GT holding snapshots. The upper limit for each users to participate in this event is 5,000 GT everyone. Upper limit is given here. Upper limit for each users to participate in this event is 5000 GT. Okay, how to receive? All right, how to receive the airdrop? What are all criteria is to receive the airdrop? You need to log into your Gate.io account, which is get account. Complete identity verification. Complete identity verification is very much important, everyone. Enter launch pool. Select hodler airdrop. Hold no less than 1 GT. Click go to participate. Okay, I'll go through this hodler airdrop frequently asked questions. Okay, so here is the introduction to Soon. It is a short introduction, brief introduction I will also give you. Soon has three main products. Soon Stack is the first SVM roll-up stack that brings Solana to all ecosystems. There are currently 5 Soon chains. InterSoon is a message transmission protocol that allows seamless communication between Soon chain and major ecosystems Symfo. Okay. Dear, right now I am explaining a project. For that, I need to take a look on the BTC. Wait, I will definitely share my opinion with you. Is it a new time? Yes, definitely. Okay. So now here there are currently 5 Soon chain. InterSoon is a message transmission protocol that allows a seamless communication between Soon chains and major ecosystems. Fun is the ultimate copy trading platform that allows users to copy trade is the best traders in the world. Token English full name is SOON. Token Chinese full name is not mentioned token. Symbol is Soon. Total token amount is this much, everybody. Okay. Contract address is also given here. Contract address is also given here. So yeah. So this is the Soon airdrop, everybody. Soon airdrop is coming. Soon airdrop is coming, everybody. Okay. So what is Soon? Okay. Many of you were must be having this query. Okay, what is this actually this Soon airdrop is? Okay. So Soon is a high performance SVM. All right, Soon is a high performance SVM roll up designed to realize the super adoption stack with a vision to achieve mass adoption of blockchain. Soon comprises 3 primary products: Soon Mainnet, Soon Stack, and InterSoon. Okay, primary products. Soon comprises 3 primary products: Soon Mainnet, Soon Stack, and InterSoon. The core technological innovations of Soon include decoupled SVM, Merkleization, and horizontal scaling. All right. So this is the Soon high performance SVM roll up extending Solana everywhere. So InterSoon. So below is the Soon Mainnet, Soon Stack, InterSoon. Okay, primary key components. All right, everybody. This is the basic information which I am giving you about the Soon Mainnet. Any questions, if anybody wanted to ask, please feel free to ask me the questions, everyone. Okay, if anybody wanted to ask me any question, please feel free to ask me the questions. All right, everybody. So soon manage is a general purpose layer 2 that settles on ETH. Okay, that settles on ETH with its core execution layer powered by decoupled SVM. Okay, everybody, soon Manet is a general purpose 2 layer that settles on ETH with its core execution layer powered by decoupled SVM. Soon Stack. Soon Stack is the collection of infrastructure that allows for the deployment and running of a SVM layer 2 on top of any base layer 1. Okay, everybody. So its infrastructure is allowing you for the deployment of running of an SVM2 layer. Okay, everybody, SVM2 layer on top of any base layer 1. So this is the key components, key feature of this soon Manet, soon airdrop, everybody. Okay, so chains deployed using the soon stack are referred to as soon chains. Soon stack now supports Ethereum as the settlement layer, Avail as the DA layer supported by Caldera and Alt layer. Okay, everybody, Caldera and Alt layer. Intersoon, soon stack, and the intersoon information here we have. Uh, okay, guys, I'm giving you the detailed brief information about this project. At any point, at any line, if you are not getting, if you are not understanding, please do let me know, everybody. You can share your query in the inbox. Okay, I will read it out. Okay, and help you out. Okay, so please, everybody, ask me the questions related to the soon airdrop. Okay, so enter soon. Okay, don't you forget to like this live, everybody. Okay, I know you people do so much likes to my video. For that, I am very happy. Okay, I'm grateful. Okay, everybody. Now let's get back to the topic. Intersoon is a cross-chain messaging protocol that ensures smooth interaction between networks. It enables interoperability. Hey, get user welcome. Okay, interoperability between Soon Manage, the Soon stack, and other L1s, connecting them all in one seamless interface. Intersoon's underlying cross-chain messaging is supported by Hyperlane, everyone. Okay, it is supported by Hyperlane. Alright, we'll see the tokenomics. Tokenomics is very much important, everybody. What is the tokenomics? So, Soon tokenomics. Soon overview. Initial total supply. Okay, everybody. Initial total supply they are offering you. Okay, this much of soon 3% inflation every year. 3% inflation every year, everybody. Okay, tokenomics is very much important. Okay, sis. Okay. Thank you so much for joining Turan _99. Soon hodler. Governance is also very much important, everybody. So governance section here is soon hodlers can vote on protocol upgrades, treasury management, and ecosystem development for soon manage and soon stake chains. Native assets is also given here. So soon covers all activities in the Soon ecosystem. Okay, in the Soon ecosystem, used by builders and users across the apps. Okay, everyone. Any questions, everybody? Any other questions? Please feel free to ask me. Incentives is also here, guys. Incentive sections is also given here. So Soon rewards builders and ecosystem contributors, driving innovation and growth through grants and performance based incentives. Okay, Soon distribution is also given here. Airdrop and liquidity, just have a look on the airdrop and liquidity distribution. So distribution amount is 80, sorry, 8 crore around. Distribution amount, ecosystem distribution amount is also given here. Foundation treasury is also given here, everybody. Team 60 crore foundation treasury, team co-builder, Soon token allocations. So just have a look on their distribution between the airdrop and liquidity, foundation treasury, team co-builders, ecosystem. So just have a look on their Soon token allocations, everybody. Okay, so here is the community 51%. So this allocation will be distributed through a fair launch, with the remaining serving as reward to long-term supporters of the Soon ecosystem. Okay, any questions? Please feel free to ask me. I hope everybody is understanding the benefit of this wonderful project. Aren't you? Aren't you all understanding the benefit of this wonderful uh, Hodler airdrop or not, everybody? Alright, so airdrop and liquidity section is for our importance. Okay, so airdrop and liquidity section 80% of the allocation. So this allocation is for airdrop and providing liquidity to exchanges. Airdrop are used to attract new users, incentive adoption, and reward early supporters. Liquidity ensures smooth trading of Soon tokens in the market. So liquidity 8%, everybody. Very important news. This is Soon utilities is also given here. What are all the Soon utilities, everybody? You are getting here. Okay. So guys, Soon serves as the core utility token within the Soon ecosystem, empowering a range of functionalities that promote ecosystem growth and ensure network operations. Its primary utilities include, okay, what are all their primary utilities includes here? So governance is Soon hodlers have the right to vote on critical decisions. It's a very important governance, and the very important line here is, okay, so Soon holders have the right to vote on critical decisions within the Soon manage and Soon chains created using the Soon stack. Governance allows holders to propose or approve protocol upgrades to the Soon manage, vote on resource allocation for ecosystem development and community grants, decide on treasury management and reward distribution mechanisms for builders and contributors, participate in key decisions. Okay, incentive for builders and ecosystem growth is also given here. Staking criteria, we'll see the staking criteria, everybody. So the Soon network is set to implement an innovative fast finality settlement mechanism, providing an alternative to both validity and optimistic rollouts. Okay, everybody, implement an innovative fast finality settlement mechanism. It's very important line about this. um, Soon airdrop is given here, guys, that innovative fast finality settlement mechanism. They are providing you final settlement mechanism. Okay, providing an alternative to both validity and optimistic rollups. Fast finality will be enabled by a set of validators who stake dollars soon to provide security. Active validators will receive staking rewards, including an annual 3% token incentives. Okay, everybody, 3% token incentives. White paper is also given here. The following white paper is not the final version. Our vision. Our vision. So, everybody, it's very important. Before doing investment in any project, you should understand their clear vision. What is the vision behind, what is the purpose behind of any project? Okay, so yeah. And why you adopt? Okay, there you should have a question that why you adopt. Okay, so if you have any query, then ask. All right, everyone. Okay, guys, this is a short disclaimer. Before doing any investment in any project, you should do your own investment. Okay, own investment, everyone. So, to solve the problem of liquidity, okay, everyone, to solve the problem of liquidity fragmentation and lack of interoperability between chains, and importantly, okay, more importantly, to achieve mass adoption, Soon proposes the super adoption stake, which is SAS. Okay, super adoption stake, a vision for a fully interoperable blockchain future, connecting all networks through seamless communications. Okay, connecting all networks through seamless communication. SAS represents a paradigm shift towards a unified blockchain network. Okay, everybody. So this is the Soon Apache, Soon General Rollup, Bitcoin Soon Apache, AppChain, Soon Apache, BNB Chain, Soon SVM BNB, Solana, SAS, Super Adoption Stack. Okay, Soon Manage ETH. Okay, everybody. So our thoughts on mass adoption. What is their thought on mass adoption? So our long-standing goal, okay, their long-standing goal has been to drive the mass adoption of crypto and blockchain. We believe that achieving this requires two essential components. Okay, we believe that achieving this requires two essential components. First, introduce high performance execution environments, specifically the Solana virtual machine, which is SVM. Okay, everybody, Solana virtual machine. Solana virtual machine SVM to all major L1 ecosystems. This serves as the foundational performance layer for achieving mass adoption. Okay, and the second thought on the mass adoption is Second, established interoperability. They are, okay, everybody, they are second, established interoperability between these SVM chains and all major L1S to enable seamless interaction. This forms the fundamental communication layer for achieving mass adoption. Okay, everybody. Tolly BIP 420. If there are more SVM L2s on Bitcoin than EVM L2s, that would be awesome when OP capped. Okay. So, mark decoupled SVM. It's very very important, everybody. हाँ, सो डीकपल्ड एसवीएम ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है गाइज. ये वाली टॉपिक जो है ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है. So here, decoupled SVM is a fundamental innovation within the Soon architecture that separates the SVM's core execution layer from the underlying consensus layer. This separation allows the execution layer to operate independently, enabling enhanced performance, scalability, and the efficiency. Okay, so what are the key benefits of decoupled? Okay, decoupled SVM, everybody. What are the important benefits you are getting here? Okay, so enhanced performance scalability. Okay, performance enhancing is also very much key factor. Okay, so decoupled SVM जो है उसका क्या क्या आपको benefits मिल रहा है? So here are the important key benefits, everybody. Enhanced performance and scalability, improved security, greater flexibility, efficient resource utilization. Okay, efficient resource utilization is very very much important, everybody. So removing consensus related components from the execution layer frees computational resources, resulting in a more responsive and robust robust system. Okay, roll up and decoupled SVM. Okay, roll up and decoupled SVM, even depth analysis. Okay, why and how to decouple SVM execution layer for an optimistic roll up soon. Okay, so it's a very much important. यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है decoupled SVM versus fogged SVM. Markalization is also very much important, everyone. So these are the key benefits which I am explaining to you right now. Okay, all these important documentation of the Soon, everybody. This is the important documentation of the Soon, where you are getting all the relevant information about this new airdrop or the new project. So Markalization organizes blockchain data into Merkle trees, enabling efficient and secure verification of transactions and states through second proofs. Solana's Markalization poses several challenges. Firstly, it markalizes transactions into multiple routes per block, complicating the creation of global stake proofs. Additionally, state roots are calculated once per year, epoch, approximately 2.5 days, and are not included in block headers. Okay, state roots are calculated only once per year and approximately 2.5 days and are not included in block headers. This absence of stake roots in block headers makes verifying state and inclusion proofs difficult. Okay, Soon's Merkleization solution is also given here. Integration of Merkle Patricia tries unique entries for state roots, periodic state roots update, fault proof mechanism. Fault proof mechanism. Okay. Benefits is also given here. What are the important benefits of the Merkleization? Oh, all right. So benefits of Merkleization is soon enhanced security, improved scalability, interoperability, support for light clients, trustless interactions. Okay, trustless interactions. Okay, everybody. So these are the important updates of this wonderful uh, project. Okay, I have given you the information related to what is soon, that tokenomics. Okay, then white paper we have seen their vision. Okay, vision will see the core technical innovations which is decoupled SVM Merkleization. Okay, one we have left is horizontal scaling. So these are the key component and something different features they are introducing. So we'll see the horizontal scaling as well. Horizontal scaling kya hai and what are the important benefits of horizontal scaling? So horizontal scaling involves expanding a ecosystem's capacity by adding more machines or nodes to the network rather than enhancing the power of individual machines. This approach distributes the workload across multiple nodes, allowing the system to handle increased demand efficiently. Unlike vertical scaling, which is limited by the physical and economic constraints of single machines, horizontal scaling offers virtual unlimited growth potential by leveraging the collective resources of the network. Okay, everybody, benefits is also given here, unlimited growth potential. So what are all the important benefits of horizontal scaling, everybody? What are the important benefits of the horizontal scaling you are getting right now? So they are providing you unlimited, okay, unlimited growth potential. Unlimited growth potential by adding more nodes, improve reliability and redundancy, enhanced performance, effective expansion, flexibility and adaptability. Okay, flexibility and adaptability, everybody. All right, everyone. So these are the very important key features about the. So this is the chain, I think. Consumer 1, producers, message queue, consumer 2, consumer n. So message queue is going to consumer 1 SVM executor, then consumer 2 SVM executor, and then consumer n SVM executor, and the result aggregator. All right, result aggregator. All right, so I think I have provided you the best information as I could. Okay, so this is the airdrop. This is the airdrop, everybody. Soon airdrop is coming. Soon airdrop is coming. My soon. So connect wallet SVM to check if you soon is to claim. Okay, what is inside this airdrop? कुछ नहीं है, चलो ये तो हाँ. अब आते हैं हमारा ये सून के नेटवर्क इकोसिस्टम लर्न ब्लॉग्स एंड जॉब्स बोर्ड पे. ओके, so this is the soon network, everybody. This is the address. This is their address, everybody. White paper address which you will get on our get.io announcement section. Get.io announcement section here. Website is also given here. Okay, everybody. ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे आपको दोनों ये लिंक मिल जाएगी. So yeah, extended Solana label performance on every blockchain. Okay, everybody, they are extending Solana label performance on every blockchain. Soon mainnet settling on ETH, BNB chain and base chain now live. Okay everybody, ये देखो ये important line. Bridge now, start building. Okay everybody, bridge now, start building. Transactions per second, 300k, greater than 300k transactions per second. 50 ms, the most real time blockchain so far. Okay everybody, so far it is the most real time blockchain. Okay, transaction fees is less than $0.01. Total valued logged 14.37 million. Total transactions is this much. Transactions detail is also given here. Total active addresses, how much they have, the total active addresses, so it is also given. All the important and benefits, all the important announcements they have provided you. Okay, media coverage. Soon extending the SVM beyond Solana. Make SVM great again. Alright. Soon, first true SVM rollup delivering high performance to every L1 starting with ETH, BNB and base. Okay everybody, starting with ETH, BNB and base. Very very important line. Okay. First true SVM rollup delivering high performance to every L1 starting with ETH, BNB and base. Super adoption stack is also given here. Accelerate SVM adoption, launch your own Solana. Guys, accelerate SVM adoption and launch your own Solana. So SAS is designed super adoption stack. Okay, very important key component is super adoption stack. Super adoption stack is designed as a comprehensive suite of interoperable tools to create a fully interoperable blockchains ecosystem. It combines three core components. Okay, Soon Manage, Soon Stack, and Soon and InterSoon. Okay, Soon Manage. Okay, everybody, do your own research, everyone. It's very important before doing investment in any airdrop, you should be doing your own research. Soon Stack is a high performance roll up stack powered by decoupled SVM. Every project can launch your own SV Solana via Soon's Rast one click deployment. Alright. InterSoon. What is inside this InterSoon? A cross-chain messaging protocol. Cross-chain messaging protocol connecting Soon chains to major layer 1 ecosystem. The InterSoon Solana native bridges is now live. Okay, everyone. They have beautifully designed their website where you will get enough information about them. Okay, supported by industry leaders. Industry leaders के नाम देख लो आप. These are the partners supported by the industry leaders. Hack VC, EBCDE, Anagram, Hypersphere, SNZ Capital, Amber Group, Arc Stream Capital, Geek Cartel, Paka, MH Ventures, IDG Capital. Okay, देख सकते हो. And more co-builders form. They are the co-builders. Okay, everybody from co-builders देखने को मिल रहा है हमारा इसका. Okay. Very important. This page is ecosystem. देखते हैं हम. Ecosystem is very much important for you to watch. Have a look on ecosystem. That discover the innovations powering the Soon ecosystem. Building on Soon ecosystem essentials. Cobaltex, okay, wallet, DeFi. So this is the ecosystem of this wonderful project, everybody. Discover the innovation. Okay, powering the Soon ecosystem. Blogs देख ले, media चलो learn. DOS about Soon. We have Soon is a building the highest throughput stack that allows for any SVM L2 to be deployed on any L1, building on the highest performance VM in any ecosystem. Okay, high performance parallel execution. Okay, everyone. Okay, high performance parallel execution VM. How to deposit more than one. More than one tier. Just you need to hold one GT and you will be able to claim the airdrop. Okay, how to deposit GT? Stay connected. I will proceeding to the topic. Okay, just stay connected. High performance parallel execution specialized SVM for L2 with greater security. Okay, everybody, with greater security providing, yeah. So yeah, this is the Hodler airdrops frequently asked questions. Okay, Bamboo. Okay, Bamboo, please stay connected because I'm going to discuss very important part of this project, which is the frequently asked questions about the Hodler airdrop. Okay, stay connected. So, what is Hodler airdrop? Hodler airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for users holding GT token. All right, users only need to hold a certain amount of GT to share the airdrop tokens according to their holding ratio. What are the requirements for participating in the Hodler airdrop? Participating users must complete identity verification and hold at least one GT. Okay, everybody, this is the very important line, everyone. Hold at least one GT only. What is the upper limits of GT holdings? Okay, what is the upper limit of GT holdings? The upper limit of GT holdings for each project may be different. The specific upper limit will be clearly stated in the airdrop announcement of each project. Upper limit I have already discussed with you. Upper limit you are getting here 5,000 GT. Upper limit is given here. The upper limit for each users to participate in this event is 5,000 GT. ठीक है everybody, upper limit यही है. What are the requirements for participating in the Hodler airdrop? Participatory verification. What is the upper limit of the GT holdings? The upper limit of GT holdings for each project may be different. The specific upper limit will be clearly stated in the airdrop announcement of each project. So it's 5,000, everyone. How to share the airdrop tokens? We will take a snapshot of your GT holdings at the time of the airdrop, and at the end of the airdrop tokens will be distributed according to the proportion of your GT holdings at the snapshot time to the total snapshot amount. The larger than holdings, the more airdrop tokens you will receive. The more, okay, the number of tokens received is equals to the minimum, okay, minimum GT. Assets when participating in the airdrop, GT assets at the end of the airdrop divided by the total number of GT assets participated by all users of the project X, multiply the total amount of airdrops GT. So this is the GT calculation. Okay, round principle. How can I participate in multiple airdrop at the same time? So the answer is yes. You can participate in the multiple Hodler airdrops at the same time. You can participate in multiple holder airdrops as long as you hold enough GT at the snapshot time of each project and meet the participation requirements of that project. Will I definitely get tokens if I participate? Okay. Will I definitely get tokens if I participate? Users who hold at least 1 GT. Okay. Users who hold at least 1 GT and participate in the hodler airdrop will receive 100% of the airdrops, provide provided that they hold at least 1 GT at the snapshot time, real time में 1 GT hold is the very much important. Holding 1 GT at the real time is very much important. Okay, how to view the distributed airdrop tokens? The reward will be calculated and distributed within T plus 1 day after the project ends. Okay. You can check it anytime in the launch pool hodler airdrop participation history. So this is the address where you can check anytime in hodler airdrop launch pool participation history. What if I don't receive the airdrop tokens? Okay, very important line this is. What if I don't receive the airdrop tokens? If you don't receive the airdrop tokens, everybody, okay, if you don't receive the airdrop tokens, please check whether you meet the participation conditions or not and confirm your GT holdings at the snapshot time. If the problem persists, please contact customer service for the assistant. How to participate in the Get Hodler airdrop? Hodler, okay guys, how to participate in Get Hodler airdrop? Hodler airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for users who hold GT. Users only need to hold at least 1 GT to receive the free airdrops. The more GT you hold, the more airdrop rewards you will receive. Okay, the more GT you hold, the more airdrop rewards you will receive. Okay. Alright, how to participate in the Get.io hodler airdrop and claim free airdrop. Log into your Get.io account and go to hodler airdrop page. Earn coin hodler airdrop web version is also given here. Select the ongoing project and click go to participate to sign up. Okay, the participation results can be viewed in the airdrop record, a project collection page. Alright everybody, tutorial is also given here. Okay, so this is the basic information, all information, not the basic information, all the important information, how to participate in the Get.io hodler airdrop. Okay everybody, let us take a dive of their X account handling. So this is the Get.io official X account. Okay everybody, this is the official Get account of our wonderful platform. Okay everybody, so it has been introduced on our Get.io account. Soon deposit is open at #Get.io. It is the soon official Twitter handling. Okay, I will take you to the soon X account, X post as well. Free deposit at least $10. Okay, $10 soon to get with zero gas fee to earn an extra $5 to $50 soon. Okay, with a total price of 30,000 soon air drops everybody. 30,000. Okay, 30,000 soon airdrop FCFC. So pre-deposit at least 10 soon to get.io with zero gas fee to earn an extra $5 से $50 soon with a total price of 30,000 soon airdrop. Event duration 20th of May to May 23rd. I think tomorrow, 2 days is also left for you to claim. You can start claiming now, guys. You can start claiming now. Please, everybody, don't lag behind and please. Okay, so this is the official Twitter handling of the Soon Manet, everybody. Official Twitter handling of the Soon Manet. So this is the address. Official website is this, extending Solana everywhere. Okay, extending Solana everywhere. They have joined on May 2024. Cosmic SVM. Okay, location Cosmic XVM. They have the following of around 646 and followers they have around 199.66k followers. Okay. The time is soon. Okay, so go through this, everybody. Official Twitter handling and official website as well. Also link is also given here. This link is also given here. Do your own research as well, everybody, by following this links, everybody. Okay, चलो guys, तो ये तो I had provided you the information. Okay, अब यहाँ पे इनके टोकन एलोकेशंस की रेशियोज देख लेते हैं. टोकन एलोकेशंस की रेशियोज देख लेते हैं, एवरीबॉडी. सो टोकन एलोकेशन रेशियो एंड अनलॉकिंग रूल. सूनेस्ट में 5%. ओके, TGE you are getting 100%. Sooner you are getting 8%. 3-month linear unlock. Alright, everybody, 3 months linear unlock. Soon Squad you are getting 8%, everybody. Soon Squad you are getting 8%. 6-month lockup. Okay, 6-month lockup linear unlock within 12 months. Soon pill is 8%. This is the very important information, everybody, which I am giving you. This is the token allocations. Okay, Sooner airdrop to Soon Squad 12%, TGE 17%, unlocked linearly over 12 months ecosystem which is 25%. TGE 5% मिल रहा है आपको, unlocked nearly over 48 months airdrop and liquidity 8%. And treasury 6% locked over 12 months, unlocked linearly over 36 months. Team and treasury builders. Okay, locked up over 12 months, unlocking nearly over 36 months project. Official websites information is also given here. Precautions. What are the important precautions you need to take care of? So everybody, GT Get token is the only platform currency of the Get trading platform and is also the native asset of the Get chain public chain main network. Holding GT and get free airdrops immediately. Participating users must first complete identity authentication to ensure the security of your account and assets. Please abide by the relevant activity rules. When participating, any cheating is prohibited. Any cheating will result in disqualification from winning the project, so from winning the prize. In the event of any discrepancy between the translated version and the English version shall prevail. Okay. Risk warning is also included, everyone. Risk warning is also very much important. So the Hodler airdrop project is a blockchain startup project and is still in its early stages. There may be great risk in the project's operations, underlying technology, and legal and regulatory environment. Understanding blockchain startups and accessing their inherent risks requires advanced technical and financial knowledge affected by technology, laws and regulations, market and other factors. The price of the project you participate in may fluctuate dramatically, and the price may drop or increase significantly. Cryptocurrency projects are high risk. Cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile. Okay, everyone? Very, very important this risk warnings are. The project owner has not set a margin and does not provide any price commitment or price break guarantee. Please participate only when you fully understand the risk and can bear them. The platform strongly reminds you of the risk. Yes, guys, please participate only when you fully understand the risks and can bear them. The platform strongly reminds you of that risk, but cannot assume any responsibility such as guarantee, compensation for investment behavior. Okay, Get.io team. Okay, guys, I think I have provided you the best information as I can. होडलर एयर ड्रॉप पे जाते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे. ओके, सून यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. दिस इज द होडलर एयर ड्रॉप. ओके, होल्ड जीटी एंड रिसीव मैसिव एयर ड्रॉप्स फॉर फ्री. ओके, देख सकते हो टोटल एयर ड्रॉप्स इज $33.117 million, everyone. Can you imagine, guys? Airdrops to be shared is this much airdrops. 1,10,000. 1,10,000. 3,75,300 plus number of participants. 3,75,300 plus number of participants. So this is the data. Okay, this is in progress. Soon total airdrop. चलो इस पे देखते हैं. Okay, everybody, so distance end. Soon ka distance is going to be end on 1 day 21 hour and 44 minutes. Okay, so this is the total amount. Total airdrop amount is given here. Number of participants as of now is 11,965. Of course they are getting benefits, that's why they have the 11,965 participants. Each GT is 0.0284 soon. Individual participation limit is 5,000 GT. Individual participation limit is 5,000 GT. The more GT you have within the personal participation limit, the more airdrop you will receive. First release. Okay, in progress. This is the first release, everybody. Soon is the first release. Anything else question? Okay, founder के बारे में थोड़ी बात कर लेते. So it is Joanna Jing, project sponsor, co-founder and CEO. Roanna Jing has been in the cryptocurrency space since 2017 and has lead partnership at Coinbase, Optimism and ALEO. Co-founder and CTO Andrew Zhu is the former founder of Polkadot and ZK. Has 5 years of Rust and 6 years of Golang development experience and is highly respected in L1, Layer 1, Layer 2 development. Okay, everybody. Project features soon brings Solana to every corner through the most powerful SVM rollup technology stack, Soon Stack and copy trading platform, Snipper for fun. Tokenomics I have already discussed with you. Technical overview. We are the first technical overview देख लेते हैं. Okay, this live stream is going to be end in 3 minutes, everyone. So if anybody wanted to know something about this first release, initial stage project. Do you have any query in your mind, in your heart? Please everybody speak out. Okay, share. Okay, you can send your query in the inbox. Okay, everybody. So I think I have provided you the enough information and the best information as I could. Okay, but before doing any investment in any project, you should do your own research. So we are the first to develop the technical overview, first to develop the decoupled SVM for soon. Okay, soon stack removing the consensus layer from the SVM execution layer, resulting in better performance and native fraud proofs on EVM. For for fun, we are integrating it with top live streaming platforms such as Twitch for seamless Web 2 UX. ओके, रिस्क वार्निंग देख लेते हैं. The currency trading market may experience drastic fluctuations. Okay, everybody. Risk again. This is the second risk warning. The currency trading market may experience drastic fluctuation due to technical, legal, and regulatory factors. Please carefully understand the project details and fully research the market before participating. In addition, GET cannot guarantee that the currency will be 100% listed on this exchange. The specific listing situation will depend on many factors, and the final listing announcements will prevail. Okay, by participating in the project, you agree to our collection agreement. All right, everybody. What is each GT? Each GT के देख लेते हैं. Each GT is an estimate. If you use one GT to join the Hodler airdrop project and keep it until the end of the project, you can get approximately how many airdrops token. Not that each GT will change due to total amount of airdrops and the changes in the GT holdings of all participating users, and will be updated every hour. ओके एवरीबडी, ईच जीटी का मतलब आप लोगों ने समझ लिया. व्हाट इज दिस ईच जीटी टर्म सेज? ओके, हाउ मेनी होल्डिंग्स काउंटेड डिफरेंटली इन ईच प्रोजेक्ट? The system uses random snapshots to calculate your hourly average holdings. The calculated hourly average holdings may be different depending upon the time you participate in the project. In theory, if your holding size remain unchanged, the average hourly holdings will be the same for all the projects you participate in. Okay, so these are the very, very important updates, frequently asked questions. What is the upper limit? 5,000 है. इसका 5,000 everybody. Upper limit for this project is, different projects have different upper limits. For this have 5,000. How can I work on more than one project at the time? Can I work on more than one project at the time? So the answer is big yes. You can work on multiple projects at the same time. The airdrop will be calculated and distributed within T+1 day after the project ends. You can check it anytime. Launch pool, Hodler airdrop, history. So this is the all updates I have provided you. Only one day is left for you to claim. Free to receive, everybody, free to receive. Okay, so please everybody. Okay, if somebody wanted you to claim, you can claim this project, everybody. You can claim this project, everybody. Any query if somebody wanted to ask me, any question if somebody wanted to ask me, please feel free to ask me, everybody. I hope I have provided you the best information as I can. Best information as I can. I hope I have provided you. Okay. If not, and if you have any query, again I am saying, if you have any query, please feel free to ask me. Okay. Alright everyone, so this was the information. Okay, so I would like to say thank you to each and everybody, all those who have joined my today's live stream. Thank you so much everyone for joining my live stream today. I really appreciate everyone, you all have come to join my live. Okay, so timeline is only 1 day left. 1 day left. यहाँ पे भी मैंने टाइमलाइन आपको बता दिया था. चलो ठीक है एवरीबॉडी. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबॉडी. टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. हैव अ नाइस डे एवरीवन.